everyone, I'm Kim with Kim's Gifts and Decor. How is everyone doing today? I just wanted to pop on. I didn't have time yesterday to finish the birds and the birdhouse and whatnot, so I wanted to pop on today and just finish them up so they're all done with. So I don't think I was going on at the same time anybody was from the Friday's Fabulous Fakers. I don't think I was. I think they were all done a couple hours ago. So if I am, I apologize, but I don't think I was. So I'm gonna finish this up. We have the boy bird, the girl bird, and the house here. Let me put this down. Hey Cheryl, how are ya? We're finishing up these birds today. I think I went along with all the little pieces and I outlined them with the black, and I think they're all finished in all the colors they need to be. So I wanted to go back on real quick, glue it all together, and show you what it looks like. And then I have the birdhouse as well. I did paint all that black. You don't want to sit here and watch me paint black. So I did paint all that black, and I will glue it together real fast and we'll see how it looks. Hey Michelle, how are you? Finishing up these birds from yesterday. I think I did all the prep work to the edges and whatnot, so thanks for joining me. I just wanted to finish it up, get them done with, and move on. So I am going to, we'll do the little boy bird first. He has, it goes there. He has his bow tie. Now there's two bow ties. There's a big bow tie and a small bow tie. The small bow tie goes for the girl's hair. So the big one goes for the boy. There's two noses, one for the girl, one for the boy. They're both the same, so those don't matter. So let's put our nose on real quick. How is everybody? Does anyone have any plans for this weekend? I can't believe it's Friday already. This week just flew by, y'all. Just flew by. And then there's score marks on where it goes as well, so. Get that there and press him on. We have his glasses that we had used Harley's toothbrush on to detail it, to splatter. As Albert would say. I love these little glasses, these heart glasses on this bird. They are too cute. So we've got them. We'll put his bow tie on. Now his bow tie, there is one little point on one edge, and you can tell that that goes up with the scoring to line that up. And I really like that I didn't go with the traditional red, white, and blues for Valentine's Day. I went with that vintage tea rose and the deep burgundy. Hey Janine, how are you? You should be driving, girl. I met Janine today and I saw her little granddaughter. She is such a cutie pie. She is so dang cute. We were at Cracker Barrel and she was eating. She's a trooper. She is a cutie. And then we've got his little hand here that he's holding the bouquet with. I know you're driving. You be careful. Watch that road. And no speeding. We don't need you getting pulled over. Janine said the cops are hot and heavy out there today with radar. And then we have the bouquet top here. And I did splatter the top as well on the bouquet that the little boy is holding. So does anyone have any big plans this weekend? I know there's football on, there's playoffs. So we have that, and then we have one arm. Now let's see which one it is. Well, it's not this. It would be the longer one. I'm dropping everything, y'all. But it was very nice meeting up with Janine today and Danny. She's such a hoot watching her. And then everyone's got to come over and talk to her. Hey, Rebecca, how are you? We're just finishing up the Valentine birds from yesterday that we started. I think that's it for this one. So this is the little boy one put together before all his dots and dashes. Now on the backs of them, I just baby white method burnt umber on them, just so they're not plain wood. And now we've got the little girl. So we're gonna put her dress on. And then I have the red hearts for in the center here. Yeah, they're there. I'm just gonna put a little dab in each hole and then just plop the heart in, I think. And then these are that deep burgundy, and I splattered those. Hey Raymond, how are ya? We're just finishing up these wooden birds from yesterday. I told everyone I'd go on today. So plop these in here. And her dress is splattered as well. We have her nose. And then again, she's got the smaller bow. And there is no point or anything on this one, so. And only glue half of it, because only half of it is actually on. I bet you I did the wrong half. Let me see. No, that works. Only half of it is actually on her head. The other half is sticking off. And I forgot about that, so I'll have to go see the bare wood there. I don't like that showing. So afterwards, I'll go and I'll take care of that. We have the balloon, the heart balloon that she's holding. So we'll glue this on here. Hey Ann, how are you? Thanks for joining us while we finish these birds from yesterday. Our Valentine birds. Get this all lined up. And then again, there are the two little hearts inside the balloon. So I am just going to put a little bit of glue inside of there and then put those hearts in there. Plop them right in there. It would be this one. And this one. There we go. Didn't want to go in. And then we have her little hand here holding the balloon. Her wing, which is definitely the smaller one. And then we have her pearl necklace. She has a heart pearl necklace that we have to put on. I love my birds. I just love this line. I have hummingbird feeders out front and my bird feeders all year long. So this was just perfect when I saw it. My husband says, you and your birds. I'm like, yeah, but now I can keep them up year round in the house. He's like, oh goodness. Because I needed an excuse, right? No, but that's okay. Got some super glue on her there. Then we have the little heart pendant. We have a little pink piece that goes on top of there. You don't have to do that if you don't want to, but it does come with it, and you can just give a little bit to make it a little more chunkier and stand out just on the bottom there. We have her, and now the birdhouse itself. There is a plain heart that will go around the back of it, just so that there's no hole that it's solid for if you put it on the bird cage or wherever you put it, so you don't see through it. So I just painted that white, and I'm putting that on there. And again, that is just so there's no hole in it, but you can still see the heart going through. The other thing is there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little hearts coming down here as a decoration. We're going to put those on. So I'm just going to put a dab on each one of them. And it is scored. Hey Dewey, how are you? We are just finishing up our birdhouse, our Valentine birdhouse, our Valentine birds with the birdhouse and the birdcage. I have super glue right there, and I keep putting my wrist in it because I dab it. So all 3 pieces tie in these colors really well. So we have our hearts dropping down. Then we have, now I have 2 different perches. I have one that I did that I splattered and one without the splatter. So let's see what we like better. I like the one without the splatter better. So we're going to put that on there. And then we have the front pieces. Hey Nikki, how are you? We're just finishing up this wooden bird cage that we were making yesterday. Our bird cage and our bird houses and our birds. And then we have the 2 bottom pieces I splattered here. And then, like I said, each piece really ties in these colors. With that vintage tea rose, the baby pink, the light pink, and the deep burgundy. These done. Then on the back of the birds, there is an extra foot piece for each bird to help it stand. Here's the other one. Make sure that these go the right way. Now I was going to do it again, y'all. I was going to put it right where I wiped it off. And I kept putting my hand in it, my wrist in it. And then we have this guy. So there we go. Now we have our, let me put some alcohol on my fingers. Now we have the bird cage itself. I just painted it black. And then the front you'll see has the little score marks on the top and the bottom for the little decorative piece. Just gonna put that on. And then we have one on the bottom. And then for the top, we have where the interchangeable piece goes. So we're going to put, there's one on each side, so we'll let this side dry first, and then we'll put the other side on. And then we'll do the other side. Because we have our interchangeable piece for the top. Let me hold it real quick. Hey Robin, how are you? And then we have our base. Black on black on black on black. You can't see. Now you can either glue the bottom on or not, depending on whether or not you're going to want to take it apart or not. So we have our bird cage. Now if you just get the bird cage itself, here's the bird cage, and then you will get this black embellishment bird that goes on it like so. Hey Holly, how are you? We're finishing up our birds today. So if you get the unfinished bird cage on the shelf to do yourself, this is how I did mine black, and this is what you'll get. And you can either attach the base or not if you want to keep it to take it apart. Now with the interchangeable pieces, this top piece for the Valentine's Day, we have the heart. We finished the birdhouse, which we'll put in the back here. And then we have the little boy. And then the little girl. Whoop. I think we're gonna have to do it the other way. And then if you want to take these apart, you can leave them off of the stands as well. His tail knocked it right down. Or glue them in, whichever you want to do. And then the little boy holding his little bouquet. So then we have let me put you up straight. So then we have the birdhouse and the Valentine's display. If I can now lock it over. And then all I'm gonna do is add a few, hey Shelby, how are you? I'm just finishing up my interchangeable birds, the birdhouse and the bird cage. So then this would be the Valentine's Day. I hope you're feeling better, Shelby. And I don't think, I think everybody was done with your Friday's Fabulous Fakers, so I don't think I went on anybody's time. And then I will glue my pieces on the bases so they don't come off. I love me some super glue, boy. Got that one. I have this one. And then the girl. And again, I forgot that her little bow was halfway hanging off, so I'll do that right quick. I like the back of it all to be burnt umber with the baby white. I think I need me another super glue. Burnt umber. Hey Albert, how was... I didn't know, I'm so sorry. I didn't know Wendy was on now. I'm sorry. I just thought everybody was done by now, and I usually go on at 5. I apologize. I'll pay more attention next time. I'm very sorry. I thought I was in the clear. Otherwise, I would have went on at 6. I'm so sorry. And then we have the interchangeable. So I told y'all I'd come on today. I came on and I finished it. I'm sorry I was on Wendy's time. I did not know. I didn't think anybody was this late. And here is the Valentine birds. So, all right, I'll let you guys go. So, because Wendy's on and I didn't realize it. I'm very sorry. I looked and I didn't see it. I'm sorry. You guys have a great weekend, and I hope y'all like the Valentine birds, and let me know if I can help you with anything. But have a safe weekend, everyone. Have a blessed weekend, and I'll talk to everybody soon. Bye.